We're being very brave right now because we're gonna go to the beach, even though the sky looks like this. Will we get rained on is the question. I don't know. We left him. We left him. Damn, we left y'all. Fuck yeah. They moving too slow, huh? We left y'all. Y'all was moving too slow. It's just the hardest part about going to the beach because we got to come from here and then we got to cross these two like low-key highways, low-key. In this country, this is like a low-key, like a highway. Man, look at this boy sleeping in the car. Boy tripping. Boy tripping. Yo, if we was in America, bro, you cannot do that in America. What? Bro, because you'll wake up, a nigga be like, get out the car.
Welcome to hell, bitch. Car, keys, wallet, now.
Get out the car.
Give me the car.
Give me all your shit, nigga. He'll wake up, man, that nigga steal your car, bro. Yeah. Get out the car, son. And that's if the cops don't come. Right? If the police come and you just sleep on the side of the road, they're gonna say, get out the car.
It's facts! It's facts! It's not facts. These facts is not facts. It's not facts. It's facts.
And they gonna say, are you drunk? And they gonna start trying to test you to see if you drunk. For real. They gonna say, why you sleep on the side of the road? But you'll get in trouble for that shit. Can you tell them to protect me from the squirrels? Huh?
โอเคทุกคนมันมีเหตุการณ์หนึ่งนะพี่เคยมาหาดกันนาใช่ไหมแล้วเสร็จแล้วมันมีตัวกระรอกตัวเล็กๆอ่ะมาแย่งอาหารมันมาแย่งผลไม้นางมาแย่งผลไม้นางแล้วทีนี้นางก็บอกว่าครั้งเนี้ยปกป้องมันจากอีกกระรอกตัวนั้นด้วยนะ You big more than
Man, I don't give a fuck. Don't let the squirrel get me.
นั่งไหมนั่งดีกว่าคุณไม่ชอบมีร่ม
But why we gonna sit right under the tree? The fuck they gonna come get me?
I didn't want your cookie. I wanted blood.
มันบอกว่ามันอยากกระรอกลงมากินหัวมันเอาเนื้อเจาะหัวปอก
You wanna sit right here?
It's a good thing.
All right. When they come eat me, I'm gonna be mad. Boy, as soon as we got here, that boy started asking for shit. Look at the sky, it looks so pretty. What? What? Yo, every once in a while, y'all two just snap into anime mode.
No beautiful อ่ะอะไรของเธอตูนไปยืนรอเกิดขึ้น
Bro, so I'm sitting here at the beach and this nigga just rolled up on us and started singing, bro. What are you doing, bro? What is my man's doing, bro? But these boys just keep rolling up on me, bro. Yo, you boys wilding out.
So you can keep me inside the pocket of your lips. chin,
มันกินซ่อมมันช้อน
holding
นะ
me closer to our eyes. Pick the phone,
Bruh,
wait for me to come home.
my man's is okay. All right. That's crazy. That's some wild shit right there. Damn. Why y'all just let that nigga stand there and sing like that?
No.
Why y'all ain't tell him we was not
Him
gonna give
working.
him?
Him working.
But you ain't tell him we wasn't gonna give him no money. So he just stood there and sung for no reason. Damn. Damn. That's crazy. Oh, that shit is pretty. She said it's a jellyfish, and then these two niggas went to go see the actual jellyfish. No, don't touch that shit. Bro, what are you doing, bro? No, don't laugh at her, please. She gonna go to the hospital. It ran away? It ran away? That shit ran away because she came.
Really? No, because the water.
No, it just, he ran away. Oh, I could see the jellyfish now. Fuck it. I want to go record it. Bro, what the fuck is that?
It's a jellyfish. Really? Real. They die already. Die. I think it's
You
died.
wanna, you wanna eat it?
Yes, I want it.
You wanna eat it? Oh shit. Bro, that's crazy. You wanna eat that? You wanna eat that shit? Hell nah. Y'all niggas. Bro, that shit look like an alien. That's crazy. Bro. That is so crazy. I was like, what the fuck is that that's just like sitting there? Oh, that's weird, bro.
$640 Here we go.
Well, that was a cool day at the beach. I didn't get attacked by no squirrels. One of them tried to come get me, but he got scared and ran away. But he tried it. Did you have fun?
Yes. So now we walk on the street in Pattaya. Look at this nigga.
That's for YouTube.
I forget. Okay.
I bumped him on purpose.
Maybe I'm
Get your
not.
stupid ass out the way. Yeah, y'all niggas trying to walk and be couples on this little bitty ass sidewalk. Feel like I did.
What you talking about?
The two people that walked past us, they was holding each other's hand. Like, he didn't move until you was like real close to him. So when he got next to me, I bumped his ass. Stupid ass nigga. Get the fuck out the way. Like me and you together too, but we ain't walking, taking up the whole fucking sidewalk. Shit is crazy. I'm hot too, shit. How far do we have to walk? Oh.
100 man.
ใช่ไหมล่ะแต่ในวันท้ายเนี่ย
It's still food.
Kiss, food, and drinks?
Yes.
All right, well, let's go there after this then.
This one I want to buy for model. It's just like just 3
Yeah.
5 years of it. I use that one too.
Yeah. I've never been in here.
Baby, we've been before. We've been meet model. I have it.
Oh, this the same place?
Yes.
Oh, this the back?
Yes.
Oh, I've never been this way. Oh, shit.
Put it down, put it down me up, put it down me up, put it down me up.
Maybach music.
Pop it down me